Good Tuesday afternoon from the First Alert Weather Center. I'm Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson with an update on the storms coming our way from Tennessee. A newly issued severe thunderstorm watch for the northern half of our viewing area in Mississippi and Alabama until 10 o'clock. This does not include the Golden Triangle area, but areas north of the Highway 8 corridor for the most part under a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock this evening. The reason being, we have a very strong line of storms out in West Tennessee, and this is actually moving off to the southeast very rapidly at about 50 miles per hour. You can see the movement over the last hour here just after 4 o'clock, and that bow up there northwest of Memphis has been responsible for a lot of wind damage in Arkansas and Missouri all day long, and it continues to move off to the southeast at about 50 miles per hour. Just putting a distance tracker on this thing as of the 4:03 hours. You can see at 4:03 hour, you can see about 73 miles from New Albany and about 100 miles from Tupelo. And at about 50 miles per hour, that's about 2 hours out. So by 6 o'clock or so, it should be in the Tupelo area. Sooner than that in New Albany and Oxford, assuming it does hold together. But all these areas will be under the gun for the potential for some stronger storms later on. And the current thinking is for the severe threat to remain wind damage here. If we're going to see, it's probably going to be wind damage, flooding rain possible as well, frequent lightning. And the hail threat fairly low today, the tornado threat fairly low as well with this current setup. So let's just show you the Futurecast forecast model at 6 o'clock or so. I think this is probably catching up, playing catch up right now. This line of storms is likely going to be farther south and east than what you're depicting here than what we're showing here with our forecast model. All that goes away this evening, but we may pop a few additional storms tomorrow. Very warm for Wednesday and Thursday, mid-90s. Rain chances go away sometime Thursday, and then we're back into the heat. We do upper 90s again for this upcoming weekend. So that's the current situation as far as the severe weather threat here for this evening. Join me on WCBI TV at 5 and 6 for the latest radar and the latest forecast.